is now finished. I will attempt to pick this up so you can see it. Good job these things are light. So it is very long, goes all the way down to there. So on me it touches the... Hi guys, so today's going to be an unboxing, and it's going to be a Craftiosity unboxing, but I wanted to explain some stuff before I go into the unboxing because this one is slightly different than how I normally do my unboxings. So as some of you will know if you've been following along for a while, I often buy craft boxes and because I like them and I just like seeing what we get. I like a little surprise in the letterbox every month. And Craftiosity was one of the boxes I was getting when COVID hit and my income dropped because I lost the shop in town. I had to stop buying those Craftiosity boxes, but they've actually reached out to me and very kindly gave me a box to do an unboxing with, and even more nicely they've actually gave me a code. So I actually have a code for 20% off your first box. Boxes are normally, I've got it on here so I can see, boxes are normally £24.95 and that includes postage within the UK. Outside of the UK, so the EU has an additional £5.65 per box. New Zealand and Australia have an additional £11.10 per box. Doesn't say, they don't ship to the US or Canada at the moment, so mainly this is for UK and EU, but they are a UK company. Yeah, so the box is £24.95, postage included inside the UK, and each month you get a really cool craft. It's a different one each month. It's not like just a yarn box or just a crochet box. These are all different, and if you've been watching, you've seen I've had a few different boxes and a few different crafts over the years. And so I'm really excited to this one. This is one of the ones I didn't get to have because I had to cancel before, and it was one I was gutted I missed out on. And by pure coincidence, they've sent me that one. So I'm super happy. I haven't actually opened the box yet, but they told me what one they were sending. So I'm going to do an opening in a minute. But I do need to say this is a box that I have been given to do an unboxing on. So I haven't paid for this box. Bearing that in mind, this is still my 100% my opinion on boxes. I don't do good reviews for free gifts or anything. I genuinely tell what I think of the box, and I just happen to really like Craftiosity boxes. I've had them before and I really like it, so I was super excited to not only get a free gift but to actually be able to offer you guys 20% off your first box. So the code will be in the description and I will pop it up on the screen so that you can see. It's going to be SJACG, so that's Sonia Jones Arts, Crafts and Games 2020. So I will pop that in the description and pop it up on the screen so you can see. But I think 20% off your first box is not bad, is it? And at £24, my memory is terrible, yeah, £24.95, so 25 quid, 20% off that for your first box, and get to check if you like it. I think that's pretty good. I think it's really lovely of them to send it to me to do a little box opening and do a little review on it. So without further ado, I'm going to switch the camera angle and do the box opening. I'll see you all later. Bye. Okay guys, so this is the box I got. As you see, it actually has a little thing on, I guess, when they store their stuff they see which is in each box, and this is the clock kit. I do know that this is going to be fun for me to pronounce because we all know what I'm like. So, going to have a look. I do love that they always put little things on the boxes here, can you see? So, what we got is the Herringbone Marquestroy clock project. As we know, pronunciations are not my thing, but this is it. And basically it's building up this pretty herringbone clock with veneer, wood veneer. So this is the instructions. As always, you get a good set of instructions with your Craftiosity box, so you get to know what to do. It says here your kit includes 3 times wood veneer sheets, clock face, clock hands and movement, double-sided tape and sandpaper. We'll also need short, sharp scissors, a ruler, a sharp pencil and some AA batteries. Always has your top tips and then your instructions. I'm really looking forward to making this because it does look fun. So as usual, you get your nice little postcard in it, and this one time it's a really cool abstract picture on the back. That's quite cool. I like these sort of pictures, they're fun. These are more my style. So, and then that's another little postcard with herringbone wool and some steps. There's a little postcard, and this one, I do like the postcards this time round. I have missed getting these boxes. I'm so excited to have another one. So it's some lovely postcards. So here we go. So this is the sandpaper. That's a good amount of sandpaper. F150 for anyone who understands sandpaper. I don't. This is clearly the tape. Get all the pink off of it. So this is the double-sided tape. You get a good amount of that, don't you? So obviously you need quite a bit. I've never done this task, I don't know, but this is going to be interesting to do. So then we have the basic clock components, obviously, so your battery goes and your dial. Just a normal clock component. I actually have these myself on my own clocks that I do. But I've never done the wood veneer, which is what I'm really looking forward to. Let's take all that out a minute. So we've got washer. And we got wooden clock base. Again, this is something I have quite a few of from the clocks I do, so I do know these are quite good. And then, should do the hands first, so down here. If I can pick them up. So we have our clock hand, so we have the hour hand, the minute hand and the second, as you would expect, so that's quite cool. These are quite nice, they're very lightweight, plasticky, but that's what I like. And of course they would all go on for the clock. Okay, so we've got the washer and the bolt, which we're going to need to put it all together. That's going to be very handy. Need it to stay together, don't we? And here's the wood veneers. So 3 different ones, as you can see. Now you see, this is what a wood veneer is. It's very thin, flexible, so this is why you need good sharp scissors to cut through it. But I think the colours are really nice. Because even though these are similar in colour, the texture is so very different. And I think they go really nice together, don't they? Obviously, same on both sides. So I'm going to be really intrigued to see how this works up. I will film myself making this, and you can watch and laugh at any mistakes I make, because we all know that I do. But I'm really looking forward to this. Let's put this all back in. This, I have to admit, this is one of my favourite kind of packaging. For those who know me know that pink is my favourite colour and crinkly is what I love. This stuff's just awesome. So, yeah, I'm really looking forward to doing this one. It's not a technique I've ever done before. I've never worked with wood veneer before. So I'm really excited to see how this comes together. Let me know down below what you think of this. If you ever worked on this sort of thing, if you've got any hints and tips, do let me know, because I welcome them all. But yeah, as you can see, this is what it will look like when done, and I think it's going to look really cool. I think it's quite funky. I don't know if I can back just how to put the clock together. So here's marking out and breaking them up to lay them on. So yeah, there's instructions, and as you can see here, they have video tutorials. Find your video tutorial here as a well-printed step-by-step photo instructions. We know some of our subscribers prefer to learn by watching, so we've created a video tutorial for you. You'll find it here, and that's at www.craftiosity.co.uk/herringbone clock, and the password is TikTok. Happy crafting. So craftiosity.co.uk, that is where we buy these from. That's where you'd go to use my code, so don't forget to check out for the code down below in the description. I'll pop it back up on the screen here as well so you can see it again. I will just say it again if I pull up on my phone because I have no memory, as we all know. So it's SJACG 2020. And that's Sonia Jones Arts, Crafts and Games 2020. And that's for 20% off your first box. The code will last for a year, and then they'll review it after the year. So you've got a year to get your 20% off. You don't have to worry about just missing payday and not having enough this month, especially with Christmas coming up. Be a great Christmas present saying that. Get yourself a little treat, get yourself a Christmas present and get 20% off. What more could you want? But yeah, feel free to use the code down below. Let me know what you think and what box you get. And I'm hoping soon to be able to afford to go back to buying these myself. Because let's face it, £25 for all of this is quite a bargain. Because there's a lot of stuff you get. It's really quite nice. So yeah, I really do like that. Hopefully you guys do too. As you know, this is my opinion. I'm not, though they've sent me the box, they haven't told me what to say or what to describe or anything like that. It's just me doing me. So, the usual rambly self that I do. But I hope you've enjoyed it, and pop in the comments if you're going to grab a box or what sort of box you'd like to see. They've had a load of different ones. If you check back on my playlist for these, you can see all the different ones I've had over the year. Because I had them for just over a year before I had to stop. But we'll have to see if I can start them up again once all this COVID's over and money's a bit better again. I will see you all soon, so you all take care. Bye!